This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling
African black soap looks like this. If you buy organic black soap from whatsoever dealer, this is how it should look. It's supposed to be soft and easy to press and mold. So you're gonna need some water, and this is more than enough for one wash, and you can use it to exfoliate your skin using the electric brush, and it won't hurt your skin. So this is more than enough. Take a little bit of water, pour it onto the soap, just a little, then start rubbing your hands together until it forms a thick cream, a thick lather cream. And this cream is very light but thick, it's like a lotion. So then you're gonna apply it to your face, your wet face, and then just rub it into circles. If it's not forming enough on your face, just rub the little pieces that have remained some more, and it's gonna form a very nice thick lather. As you can see there, I used too much. I should have just used one piece. This is the best way to ensure your African black soap stays long enough for you to use it, because it's expensive. It's 300 for 100 grams, so you need to get maximum use from it, and this is the way you do. Don't use the whole soap. You can order your black soap from me at 300.